Alright, this is how to disassemble your Ruger max-9. The first thing you want to do, it is empty. Doing this with, alright, it is empty. So this little tab here, you want to push it down, and this pin, you want to get it out. So here is the pin. And you can see the hole there. So from there, you just slide it forward. Actually, you got to release the tension first. And now, once you've released the tension, it just slides right off. Like that. From there, this pin just lifts off. The recoil spring, boom. Then we've got the barrel. That comes up and out, boom. There you have it. And now we'll put it back together. Starting with the barrel, zoom back a little bit, slide the barrel, get it snug, the recoil spring, this goes, you gotta push that all the way, oh, oops, sorry, make sure that fits, sits right there, and from there, you're just going to, you gotta kind of get it flush and it'll slide. So, okay, so now it's on there and it slides right on. And the final step, I need that pin. If you lose the pin, it's kind of game over. Oh, there it is. So the pin, you can see, so what you're going to have to do is slide it back. Where'd that pin go? You have to slide the gun, slide it back. I got it. I can't do this on camera. Let me see. And just drop it in. So once you've pushed it back, there's the pin. And you just flip this up. You're good to go. All right, that's it. Thanks.